Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the market and then jumping straight into the crypto news of the day. So first off, we see that the market is up 0.4%. Filecoin is still doing outrageous things. I do see a big crash coming for Filecoin. It's gone a little too long, a little too high and a little too long. I think big crash is coming, so beware of that if you're trying to jump in on Filecoin. You may want to wait for a dip. I think it's doing awesome things. Obviously, $234, and in the last 24 hours, 36% increase. Last week, we see a 171% increase. Pretty crazy. I do like Filecoin a lot. However, like I said, it's gone too high, too long. I think it's going to have a big crash coming. A lot of green though in the market right now. There's, a lot of green. We do see Tron up 12%, Dogecoin up 15%, obviously after Elon Musk tweeted as well. And then we have EOS up 12.46%, Polkadot's up about 5%, Ethereum's up about 5%, Binance Coin up about 5%. So everyone's you're seeing a lot of increases all around. It's looking good for everyone. If we continue on though, let's take a look at the crypto news. So right now, Dogecoin surges 10% after Elon Musk says SpaceX would put it on the moon. The meme coin seems to have won over the heart of the Tesla CEO, and he had to shill it on April 1st. So obviously, Dogecoin surging over that 10% after Elon Musk tweeted about the taking the cryptocurrency to the moon. So here's the tweet. SpaceX is going to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. So obviously this is going to boost the price just like it did, and I'm sure it'll come back down here just a little bit as well. But very interesting news as well. So we're going to go over to the next one. We have Exploring New Frontiers with AAVE. If you go down, you can actually read more about this. But during the summer 2020, DeFi matured, developed, and defined its product market fit. Now it's time for the AAVE protocol to enter the scalability phase and bring decentralized finance back into everyone's hands, even those with three-figure portfolios. So they do talk about, it's coming for AAVE. It's a good thing, obviously, for anyone holding AAVE and anyone trying to get into AAVE. So we'll go to the next one now. Crypto is going to be the most significant macro event of my career, says longtime investment analyst Jim Bianco. So decentralized finance will remake the financial system, he says, and its success isn't dependent on the price of Bitcoin rising or falling. So this is an obvious it's an obvious thing that crypto is coming to everybody at this point. It's just going to take some time for everyone to kind of adapt and jump into it. So I think obviously everyone should, we're all here early actually. If you think about it, there's probably 1% of the world invested in crypto at this moment, and I believe 60% or so are invested in the stock. So there's a lot to make up there. There's a lot of people still jumping over to crypto. You could see a lot of increases coming. I think I would like to say also that Q2 is historically been a very very good quarter for crypto altogether. So it'll be very interesting to see how Q2 is for us in crypto this year. Soros and Rockefellers take first steps to invest in cryptocurrency. Yet again, more celebrities and personalities joining the crypto investing game. Obviously, both personalities join millions of investors who bet on these digital tokens, and it's just showing more and more interest from people that you never really thought may show interest, and we're seeing it now as everyone knows that if they don't invest now, they're going to miss out, and nobody likes that idea of missing out on something that could be huge. So these guys are the same as us, and they are investing as well. We go to the next one. We have IOHK successfully completes decentralization of Cardano block production. Cardano platform reaches major milestone on its journey toward full decentralization with block production handed over to the community. So this is a pretty cool idea as well. I won't read too much into this one. It's pretty obvious what it means. However, if you want to take a look at what this really means for Cardano, go to cryptoninjas.net. They have an article there. If we go to btcmanager.com, we actually see more about Cosmos. Atom finally activates inter-blockchain communication IBC protocol. So they talk more about the Cosmos Atom development team has it's activated the inter-blockchain communication IBC protocol on the platform following a vote by members of the Cosmos ecosystem. The team says IBC fosters interoperability, I can never say that word, you guys know that, between Cosmos and other blockchains, while also solving scalability issues via sharding, according to a tweet on March 29th, 2021. So obviously this is IBC going live on Cosmos. This is very important for anyone holding Cosmos. Hopefully it goes well and continues to go well, as it's definitely a big thing for anyone holding Cosmos. So let's go on to the next one. Funko hops on NFT bandwagon with majority stake in Tokenhead. Funko is known for pop collection. The physical collectibles modeled after pop culture characters will soon now get into the NFT treatment. So obviously, Funko is publicly traded company with a recognizable line of collectibles. It has bought a majority stake in TokenWave, which offers NFT wallet Tokenhead. Funko's CEO tells Decrypt, our approach is smarter and has made more long-term success than a one-and-done overpriced sale of a single asset. So they're looking long-term here with NFTs. They understand it's to stay, and it's not going to be one of those things that, it's here and then it dies off and never comes back again. NFTs are here to stay, I believe so, very much so. Are they overpriced right now? Yeah, sure. The one-and-done sales, I believe those are overpriced. Some of them can be overhyped as well. So, it'll be interesting. The idea that they, are going for a long-term concept here, not just these one-and-done sales. I like that a lot. Hopefully they continue to make that happen. It'll be good for crypto and NFTs all as a whole. So we go on to the next one. We're on Forbes, but I can't. It looks like Forbes is not going to be good to us this time around. We did have an article about billionaire investor George Soros funds reveals Bitcoin inflation. I can't even read that. Inflection point bet as crypto market. I can't read it, but it wasn't this one either. I was hoping it was this article. It is not. So we'll go on to the next one. A warning about the alt season 2021 Loft Financial. We are bullish as hell this period. It goes without saying. Everything is bullish from Mark Cuban and Michael Jordan talking NFTs, from JP Morgan and all other banks wanting to serve their clients Bitcoin, to Biden giving away trillions, making a case for the demise of money and the escape to the new global currency system. That's all good, and there are many similar things to say about Ethereum and some of the other smart contract platforms. We especially like platforms from the beginning since everything runs on them. DeFi runs on a platform. NFTs runs on a platform. The next craze, you name it. Investing in platforms makes you a fad resistant. So what's not to like about this alt season? So obviously they're talking about the alt season 2021 and it's bullish, and how it continues to be bullish. And obviously there's a lot going into this. And they talk a little bit about Mark Cuban and Michael Jordan talking NFTs. Obviously a Michael Jordan NFT, I can only imagine what those would be going for. I'm sure he's already working on one. Blockchain, crypto, and NFTs are the risky next generation of value creation in sports. Joining terms such as wins above replacement and player efficiency rating in the sports lexicon, I guess, are phrases such as non-fungible token, blockchain, and cryptocurrency. So obviously there's a big jump for NFTs and crypto still, even in the sports industry as well. We go on to the next one. We do see that Coinbase. So they obviously messed up here. Obviously, I'm not happy with that. I know I use their price charts and their system. However, I'm sure there's this unfortunately going on pretty much everywhere. Coinbase Inc. to pay $6.5 million for false, misleading, or inaccurate reporting and wash trading. So they basically use bots to change the prices on Coinbase. Not a great look for Coinbase at all. I still use it, however, unfortunately, just because it's a good spot for beginners to kind of learn how to use crypto, and it's definitely one of the easiest, I guess, to learn crypto as a whole. So I try to keep it simple for you guys that are subscribed that are maybe new to the channel. So we will continue to use it, unfortunately. However, I'm obviously not happy with that. As we go to the next one, Snoop Dogg announces the release of his first NFT collection, A Journey with the Dog, a collection of memories from his life, iconic lines, and original track NFT. Snoop Dogg will debut his first NFT collection on crypto.com/NFT entitled A Journey with the Dog. The collection brings together Snoop Dogg's memories from his early years with art inspired by the NFT movement, including an original track NFT. So this is a pretty cool concept as well. I do like the idea of obviously more celebrities jumping into the NFT boom. Obviously, everyone wants their money from the NFT boom. So why not hop on board? Let's take a look at the actual market one more time here before we call it a day on the crypto news. Looks like the market's still staying stable right around that. I mean, a low increase, but we do have the big things like Bitcoin and Ethereum going up, which is always good. Cardano doing a small increase. Polkadot's doing very well as well, pushing close to that $40 mark. We do also have Uniswap recovering quite a bit. Filecoin obviously still booming. Litecoin recovering. Chainlink also doing very, very well with the 10% increase. I think Chainlink's going to continue to do well as well. We do see Dogecoin obviously doing that because of, or I always call it Dogecoin. I know it's Dogecoin, whatever you want to call it, is doing very well because of Elon Musk, obviously. And we also see down here EOS is doing insanely well. And then we have that Cosmos news, and Cosmos is also green with a 2.5% increase. So we see a lot of potential in a lot of these coins. Obviously, the crypto news today did cover on some of these coins in NFTs. Thank you guys all for tuning in for today's crypto news. If you guys want to stay up to date with the most recent news, definitely subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on, as well as hit the like button on this video and comment if you guys like this segment. I will continue to do this segment every single day so you guys can get that most recent and up-to-date crypto news. I will see you all in the next one.